Can I use Cash App to make payments without a card?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be answering the question, can I use Cash App to make payments without a card? If you're curious about using Cash App for transactions without a physical card, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and find out.
Using Cash App without a card.
Cash App provides users with multiple ways to make payments, and yes, you can absolutely use Cash App without a physical card. While having a card linked to your Cash App account offers convenience, it is not a requirement for making payments.
Linking a bank account.
To make payments without a card on Cash App, you have the option to link your bank account directly. By doing so, you can transfer funds from your bank account to your Cash App balance and use those funds to make payments. This method allows you to bypass the need for a physical card. To link your bank account to Cash App, simply follow these steps. 1. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the upper left corner. 3. Scroll down and select Add a Bank. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your bank account details and complete the linking process. Once your bank account is linked, you can easily transfer funds to your Cash App balance whenever you need to make a payment.
Other payment options.
In addition to linking a bank account, Cash App offers various other payment options that allow you to make transactions without a card. Here are a few alternative methods you can use. Cash App balance. If you receive payments from others through Cash App, the funds will be added to your Cash App balance. You can then use this balance to make payments without needing a card. Bitcoin. Cash App also enables users to buy, sell, and send Bitcoin. If you're comfortable using cryptocurrency, you can make payments directly with Bitcoin through the app. Cash App Cardless ATM. Cash App has introduced a feature called Cash App Cardless ATM. With this feature, you can withdraw cash from select ATMs without needing your physical Cash App card. Instead, you can generate a unique code within the app to use at the ATM. In conclusion, yes, you can use Cash App to make payments without a card. By linking your bank account, using your Cash App balance, utilizing Bitcoin, or taking advantage of the Cash App Cardless ATM feature, you have several options for making transactions without the need for a physical card. I hope this video has been helpful in answering your question. If you have any more inquiries, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.